Welcome guys to Tech Solutions. Do you want to install Python 3.11.4 on your Kali Linux 2023.2? Let's do. We will be installing Python from a downloaded tarball from official Python source and compile it followed by an error-free install. Open Terminal app on your Kali Linux. It is always advised and recommended to update your Linux distro before installing anything on it. Done doing that? In order to proceed ahead, you must have installed two important components on your Linux. You might already have them. Anyways, you can install these using simple apt install command. Completed this step? Let's now pull the Python tarball using wget. This may take a while. Now it's time to extract it. You can do this using the shown command and syntax. Get into the extracted folder using the cd command. You can use the ls command to list the contents of the folder. Let's prepare for compilation and build up Python installer. Optimize it with the shown command. Let's start the compile process using the shown command. This may take approximately 5 minutes and a good and fast PC, or may take even less to compile and install completely. It's done. Python 3.11.4 is installed without any hassle. But you can see the default Python 3 is still the older version. Let's set the default Python 3 to the newest build installed. Find the paths of both the Python installations. Now create a symbolic link between them as shown. All good. You have successfully set the Python 3.11.4 as your default Python on Kali Linux. You can also test it now. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.